Hello, it's Ali. Welcome to Scale Addiction. So in the previous video, I showed the entire process, how I design it and putting it together, taking it for a test drive. It was all good. But so many of you asked me for the intake, so I can make intake from the headlight to the turbo, so we can make a pipe directly from the headlight to the turbo. It will give aggressive look, and that's what we want for the front of the car. So in today's video, I will show you the entire process, how we're gonna modify this headlight and also design a pipe from here to the turbo. And keep in mind, we have also this intercooler pipe, so it has to be a bit smaller or jump it on this, or we need a cut so they don't touch each other. But we will see. And I was thinking, if I make it too thin like these intercooler pipes, it's not gonna be more realistic. I'm thinking about same diameter as the turbo, so it will be coming here to here. But we will figure all that out in the designing software, which is SketchUp. This is what I'm using now. So for the headlight, because it's multicoloring, I will be using H2D because it uses less filament for the waste, and for the pipe I will be using X1C. Video sponsored by PCBWay. Think about PCBWay as all-in-one platform for CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and injection molding. If you are working on a custom design like me and you want to have highest 3D print quality, this is the way to go. You just have to upload the STL file here, choose the material, and it will tell you the price and shipping days. PCBWay's link in the video description box below for more information. Thanks to PCBWay. Alright, here is the first print, which is multicoloring by H2D, and it came out great. And I made this white so it highlights its intake. But yeah, and here is the pipe, which will be connected here. And I made it like this because it has to be a bit loose, so when we're putting this in the turbo, it doesn't need a force, it will be connected like this. And on the turbo we have a small screw which is holding it like this. So let's take the headlight and this turbo filter and put these on. And with my design, nothing is glued, everything uses screw or bolt, which makes modifying parts very easy. You're just gonna design a new one, take the other one off and put that one on. So for the headlight we have two M3 bolts, which is one here and the other one here. And for the turbo filter we have a small screw. We're gonna remove this and the filter comes out. Let's put this one on. It will be like this. So first we're gonna put the headlight. For the pipe I made this cut which it doesn't interfere with the intercooler pipe, so it will be like this and it doesn't touch it. Otherwise I had to make this a bit smaller, which it doesn't look scale, so that's why I keep it the same diameter as the turbo. Now we're gonna align both of these and it will stay like this. Now the small screw for the turbo pipe. Alright, that's done. So it was a small modification, but it does a big difference. I could use the whole headlight, but I only use the highlight beam because I want to keep these and I will use these. But if I use the whole headlight and it makes a bigger intake, I know it would be more aggressive, but I still want to keep these. So let me guys know, should we make it the whole intake or keep these and only this should be intake? But for now it looks really good, and if we look at it like this, we can see it is the intake and air going in. So if we look at the pipe at the back, there is no touching between them, trying to keep it more realistic, no part touching each other. So I made that cut and I think looks great. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will make sure to update the files in the cults and also my Patreon, so you can replace the files just like mine. Thanks to all the Patreon members, and also all these purchased my file. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.